little friends! Welcome to Kids World!
Happy Independence Day! It's so beautiful! Happy Independence Day! Look at all the flags! They're everywhere! It's so beautiful! Do you think they are happy today? I know they are. Look at all the flags. Look what I found!
Grandpa, what is that?
A memory box?
Look what I have here, children.
Wow, it's a flag.
Yes, this is from when Pakistan was created.
Who are these people, Grandpa?
And that, children, is how the beautiful country of Pakistan came to be.
Oh, Grandfather, it's amazing. I never knew it was like that.
Look, the chest is showing a family's journey.
They look so brave and hopeful.
Our family...
The sacrifices were great, Jessica. Yes, but their strength made it possible. We are so proud. Look, Jessica, there it is! Wow, John, it's amazing! Happy Independence Day! Wow, look at the size of this green part. I'll get this big white star perfect. We're doing a great job, everyone. Happy Independence Day! Long live Pakistan! Hooray! The lights went out. What's going on? Look at the community center.
The storage room, I saw something in there.
We can help, don't worry. Oh, thank you, children.
Keep going, kids. Just a little further.
I'm trying.
Watch your step here.
We're almost there.
Good, now gently lower it. Yes! We did it!
Happy Independence Day!
Together, we can build a stronger, brighter Pakistan for everyone.
We promise to be responsible citizens of our nation. We promise to be responsible citizens of our nation. Wow, look at that green firework! It's so beautiful! Happy Independence Day! Look at that flag! It's so beautiful!